Hello my dear students, I hope all of you are good at your home. This is your maths class and our unit 6 multiplication is going on. So today I am starting exercise 6C. So my dear students, open page number 41. This is page number 41 and here exercise 6C. Okay, here we learn multiplication by a 3-digit number. Okay, so question number 1, A part 23 multiply by 121. So for it we have to take out notebook. So take out your notebook. Write in your notebook exercise 6C, page number 41, multiply. Question number 1, A part 23 multiply 121. So first arrange like this, 121 multiply 23. Okay, we can arrange like this also. Okay, so first we multiply 3 to 1. 3 1 ja 3, then 3 2 ja 6, then 3 1 ja 3. Okay, now we multiply 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2. Okay, now add 3, 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 4 7 and 2 add it 3. 2783 is the answer. Okay, now the B part 34 multiply by 212. So arrange like this first. Okay, then multiply first 4, 4 2 ja 8, then 4 1 ja 4, then 4 2 ja 8 again. Okay, then put a cross at one's place. Now multiply by 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6. Okay, now add 8, 6 and 4 10, 0 here carry 1. Now 8 plus 3 11 and 1 12, 2 here carry 1 again and 6 plus 1 7. 7208 is the answer. Okay, so like this you have to do. So C, D and E part is your homework. Now question number 2, 142 multiply by 320. Okay, so arrange like this, 142 multiply 320. First we multiply by 0, 0 multiply 2, 0, 0 multiply 4, 0 and 0 multiply 1, 0. Okay, 0, 0, 0. Now put a cross at one's place. Now multiply 2 now. 2 2 ja 4, now 2 4 ja 8, now 2 1 ja 2. Okay, now put cross at one's place and tens place. Okay, now multiply 3, 3 2 ja 6, now 3 4 ja 12, 2 here carry 1, 3 1 ja 3 and carry 1 4. Now add all these. Okay, add करेंगे. So 0 add it, 4 add it. Now 8 plus 6 14, 4 here carry 1, 2 to 4 and carry 1 5 and 4 add it. This is the answer. Okay, now the B part I have done for you. So do like this. Okay, now the next page. Now the C part 423 multiply 184. So first arrange. You can arrange like this also. Okay, so now first we multiply 4. So 4 3 ja 12, 2 here carry 1, 4 2 ja 8 and carry 1 9 and 4 4 ja 16. Okay, now put a cross at one's place. Now multiply 8, 8 3 ja 24, 4 carry 2, 8 2 ja 16 and 2 18, 8 here carry 1 now, 8 4 ja 32 and carry 1 33. Okay, now put cross ones and tens place. Then multiply 8, 1 multiply 3 3, 1 multiply 2 2, and 1 multiply 4 4. Okay, so now add all these. 2 9 4 13, 3 here, carry 1, 8 6 14 and 3 17 and carry 1 18, 8 here, carry 1, again 3 2 5 and 1 6 and carry 1 7 and 4 plus 3 7. Okay, this is the answer. So like this you have to do D part also. Okay, now E F G H is your homework. Okay, now question number 3. A part 1245 multiply 324. Okay, so first write like this. Okay, now multiply 4 multiply 5 20, 0 carry 2, 4 4 ja 16 and carry 2, 18, 8 here, now carry 1, 4 2 ja 8 and carry 1 9, now 4 1 ja 4. Okay, now put a cross at ones place. Now multiply 2, 2 5 ja 10 carry 1, now 2 4 ja add 8 and carry 1 9, now 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2. Okay, now put cross at ones and tens place. Now multiply 3, 3 5 ja 15, 5 here, carry 1, now 3 4 ja 12 and carry 1 13, 3 here, again carry 1, now 3 2 ja 6 and carry 1 9, sorry 3 2 ja 6 and carry 1 7 and 3 1 ja 3. Okay, now add all these so you get the answer. Okay, so like this you have to do B part also. Okay, now C and D you have to do in your homework. Now question number 4, C and D is your homework. Okay, now question number 4, multiply 403 by 304. Okay, so first write like this. Now multiply 4 3 ja 12, 2 here, carry 1, 4 multiply 0 0 and carry 1, so 1 4 4 ja 16. Now put a cross. Now 0, so multiply 0 0 0. Now put cross ones and tens place. Now multiply 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 multiply 0 0 and 3 4 ja 12. Okay, now add all these. 2 1 6 and 5, sorry 6 and 9 15, 5 here, carry 1, 1 and 1 2 and 2 and 1. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, now the next. Now the B part, multiply, so do like this. Okay, now C, D and E part is your homework. Now the question number 5 is find the products. Okay, question number 5, find the products. Here are 3 numbers, 12 multiply 8 multiply 34. So first multiply 12 and 8, write like this. 8 2 ja 16, 6 carry 1, 8 1 ja 8 and 1 9. Okay, then write your product here 96 and multiply 34 now. Okay, then multiply this and you get the answer. Okay, so like this you have to do B part also. First multiply 14 and 7, then you get 98 answer, then write 98 here and multiply 46, then multiply both these numbers, you will get the answer. Okay, now C and D and E part is your homework. Okay, now next exercise. This is exercise 6D, simplify. Okay, here we will done sums that have both addition and subtraction. Okay, हम multiplication भी करेंगे, addition and subtraction both. Okay, so we have to simplify these sums. Okay, so take out your notebook for these sums. Write exercise 6D, page number 42. Simplify. Question number 1, A part, 5 multiply 8 plus 7 multiply 9. Okay, so first we multiply, okay. 5 multiply 7, 40, plus now 7 multiply 9, 63. Okay, first we multiply 5 and 8, 40 is the answer, plus 7 multiply 9, 63 is the answer. Now add 40 and 63, we will get the answer 103. Okay, so very simple. Now B part, 6 multiply 4 plus 9 multiply 3. So first multiply 6 and 4, 24, plus now 9 plus 9 multiply 3, 27. Okay, now add 24 and 27, answer 51. Okay, now C and D is your homework. Now question number 2, A part, 8 multiply 7 minus 4 multiply 5. So first we multiply 8 multiply 7, 56, minus now 4 multiply 5, 20. Okay, now 56 minus 20, 36 is the answer. Okay, now the B part, 15 multiply 8 minus 6 multiply 9. So first multiply, okay, हम पहले multiply करते हैं. So 15 multiply 8, 120 and 6 multiply 9, 54. Okay, now subtract. So 66 is the answer. Okay, now C and D is your homework. Now question number 3, A part, 10 multiply 16 plus 12 multiply 3 minus 9 multiply 8. तो फर्स्ट हम क्या करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई. सबसे पहले हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई 10 मल्टीप्लाई 6, 160 प्लस 12 मल्टीप्लाई 3, 36 माइनस 9 मल्टीप्लाई 8, 72. ओके, फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई देन 160 प्लस 36, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. सो सॉल्व इट. So answer is 196 minus 72. Now subtract. So answer is 124. Okay. Now the B part, 16 multiply 5 plus 15 multiply 6 minus 17 multiply 10. So first 16 multiply 5, 80. Then 15 multiply 6, 90 minus 17 multiply 10, 170. Okay, now add 18 plus 90, 170 minus 170, so answer is 0. Okay, now the C part is your homework. Now question number 4, A part, 15 multiply 7 minus 4 multiply 9 plus 12 multiply 4. So first 15 multiply 7, 105 minus 4 multiply 9, 36 plus 12 multiply 4, 48. Okay, so first subtract 69 plus 48, answer is 117. Okay, so B and C is your homework. Now question number 5, simple. 13 multiply 9 minus 6 multiply 7 minus 3 multiply 12. So first 13 multiply 9, 91 minus 6 multiply 7, 42 minus 12 multiply 3, 36. Okay, now solve this one. 91 minus 42, 49 minus 36, answer 13. Okay, now B part is your homework. Now question number 6, A part, 8 multiply 9 minus 7 multiply 10 plus 3 multiply 11 minus 4 multiply 6. Okay, now here are 6 sums, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sums are here. Now simplify. So 8 multiply 9, 72 minus 7 multiply 10, 70 plus 3 multiply 11, 33, minus 4 multiply 6, 24. Okay, now first solve this one. 72 minus 70, 2. Write these as it. Now 2 plus 33, 35, minus 24, 11. Okay, so like this you have to do. B part also. C and D is your homework. Okay, now next exercise. This is exercise 6E at page number 43. Here are some word sums. So take out your notebook. First sum is a building has 35 floors. Each floor has 8 flats. How many flats are there in the building? Okay, so a building has 35 floors and each floor has flats 8. ओके, एक बिल्डिंग में 35 फ्लैट्स फ्लोर हैं और हर फ्लोर पर 8 फ्लैट्स हैं. टोटल फ्लैट्स कितने हैं? सो टोटल फ्लैट्स इक्वल टू 35 मल्टीप्लाई 8. ओके, सो मल्टीप्लाई 8 5 जा 40, 0 हेयर कैरी 4, 8 3 जा 24 and 4 28. So total 280 flats are there in this building. Okay. Now the question number 2 is, a bus makes 6 trips between Howrah and Salt Lake every day. 64 people travel in the bus on each trip. How many people travel in the bus every day? So a bus makes trips 6. In each trip people 64. So total people travel in the bus equal to 64 multiply 6. Okay, so 6 4 ja 24, 4 here carry 2, 6 6 ja 36 and carry 2 38. Total 384 people travel every day. Okay, now the question number 3. A box holds a dozen means 12 pens. How many pens are there in 72 each boxes? So a box hold 12 pens. Total pens in such 72 boxes. So here we have to multiply 12 multiply 72. Okay, so multiply and you will get the answer 864 pens. Okay, now the question number 4. A ream of paper means 500 sheets of paper. Okay, so a ream of paper means 500 sheets of paper. How many sheets are there in 32 reams? So 32 reams में कितने papers होंगे? So total sheets in the such 32 reams 500 multiply 32. Okay, so multiply and you will get the answer 16,000 papers. Okay, now the next question. Now question number 5. If 1 meter of a cloth costs rupees 245, what will the cost of 36 meters of the cloth? Okay, so 1 meter cloth की cost है 245, 36 meter cloth की cost क्या होगा? So multiply like this and you will get the answer rupees 8,820. Okay, now the question number 6. There are 178 50 rupees notes in a bag. How much money is there in the bag? So there are 50 rupees notes कितने हैं? 178. So total money 178 multiply 50. So multiply and you will get the answer rupees 8,900. Okay, now the question number 7. How many hours are there in the month of January? Okay, January months में कितने hours हैं? So we know there are 24 hours in a day. Total days in January 31. Okay, total days कितने हैं जनवरी में? 31. So total hours in the January 24 multiply 31. So multiply and you will get the answer 744 hours. Okay, now the next question. Now question number 8. Each class in a school has 3 sections. Each section has 40 students. What is the total number of students in class 1 to 10? Okay, so total each section has students 40, total section 3 and total classes 10. 1 to 10 means 10 classes. So total number of students, we have to multiply all these. 40 multiply 3 multiply 10. So 40 multiply 3, 120 multiply 10, 1200 students total. Okay. Now question number 9. How many minutes are there in a week? Okay, so 1 week equal to 7 days, 1 day equal to 24 hours and 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so total minutes in a week 7 multiply 24 multiply 60. Okay, so first multiply 7 multiply 24 168, then multiply 60. Okay, 10,080 minutes. Okay, now the question number 10. How many seconds are there in 5 hours? Okay, so 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay, so total second in 5 hours. So multiply all 5 multiply 60 multiply 60. So total 18,000 seconds. Okay, now the next question. This is question number 11. 4 photos can be printed on a sheet of paper. How many photos can you print with 6 reams? Okay, so we know 1 ream equal to 500 sheets of paper. Total photo on 1 paper 4. Total photos print on 6 reams. 500 multiply 6 multiply 4. Okay, so total photos is 12,000 photos. Okay, so these are the question word sums. So do these questions properly. Now exercise 6E completed. Do all the work properly. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.